Hi guys, this is Maria from Crochet Fashion. Please join me. I'm using 3mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. And today you will see how to crochet double-sided pattern. It is very simple and quick to make. It is perfect for beginners. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My foundation chain is ready. Make a chain. This is for transition part. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Make single crochet. Pattern consists of 2 stitches plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look. And I will start and finish the row with single crochet that I will make into the back loop. I did single crochet, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make double crochet not finish, then single crochet not finish into the same chain stitch, and pull through all loops on the hook, and make a slip stitch into the next chain stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, make double crochet not finish, then single crochet not finish, pull through all loops on the hook, and make slip stitch through the next stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. So make double crochet not finish, single crochet not finish, pull through all loops on the hook and slip stitch through the next chain stitch. Continue with your own. Let's complete this row. Make double crochet not finish and single crochet not finish, pull through all loops on the hook, make single crochet into the last chain stitch. So I made single crochet into the back loop in the beginning and at the end of each row. Let's crochet the next row. Pattern consists of 1 row. Make a chain for transition part. So I will crochet in the same way. Yarn over the hook. Work into the back loop, make single crochet. They are front loops and back loops. I am working into the back loops only and make double crochet into the not finish, then single crochet not finish into the back loop and pull through loops on the hook. Make a slip stitch through the next back loop. Continue. Make double crochet not finish, single crochet not finish, pull through and slip stitch into the back loop. Yarn over the hook, double crochet not finish, single crochet not finish, pull through loops on the hook and slip stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete this row with me. After the slip stitch, I make in my stitch, make double crochet, then single crochet not finish, and pull through loops on the hook. Make single crochet into the back loop. Make a chain, turn the work, and repeat One more time. Make single crochet into the loop. Work with back loops only. Make double crochet, then single crochet not finished, pull through. Make a slip stitch through the next one. Double crochet not finish, single crochet not finish into the same loop, pull through and slip stitch through the next back loop. So you can use such kind of pattern to create doily, blanket, or it could be perfect to create clothes. Make double crochet not finish, single crochet not finish, and pull through and make a slip stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. Make double crochet not finish, single crochet not finish, pull through, make single crochet into the loop, make a chain, turn the work, then single crochet into the loop, and double crochet and single crochet not finish, pull through loops on the hook, and make slip stitch through the next back loop. Work with back loops only. Pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 1 row. This is double-sided pattern, and let's look what I have done. And now I show you the ready swatch. Here how it looks when you are done. In this case, I used white color of yarn. And I remind you, you can choose any color of yarn and any crochet hook. You just need to know basic skills and stitches such as slip stitch, single crochet and double crochet. This is double-sided pattern, so you can choose any side for your front one. There are a lot of video tutorials in the description of each video, so please use useful links for yourself. Please write comment below this video what you will get with my video and where you will use it. You can use this pattern anywhere, from the head till the baby clothes. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can combine this pattern to another one. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And good luck in crocheting. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. Bye!